Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. This is Mark from T.W. White & Sons Mazda here in Little Bookham. Today I'm really pleased to offer this beautiful 24 Owner 24 Toyota Yaris. This is the hybrid electric vehicle and is the XL spec. Presents really well in Juniper blue metallic. Let's go through the specifications. So the car's still got Toyota service history. I only have probably had one of them because it is only a year old. Here we have LED projection headlights, front driving lights. You've got front and rear park sensors and a reversing camera, shark fin aerial. These beautiful diamond cut bi-colour alloy wheels. Going inside the car you have got black half leather with this lovely diamond quilted effect seating. You've got electric power fold door mirrors with an auto close facility. Front and rear electric windows. She's got Toyota over mats. Going inside the car, she's done 7604 on the miles. You've got adaptive cruise control. All the media controls are here. Auto dipping rear view mirror. You've got sat nav. You've got a reversing camera on this car. And inside the media, there is all kinds of goodies. Bluetooth. You've got Apple CarPlay, you've got Android Auto, and of course DAB radio. Down here you've got dual zone climate air conditioning, fully automatic transmission, a large glove box containing all the books and all the other information that you would need to operate the car. 7604 miles is very low as well. Plenty of room in the back. You've got a mat pocket there. You've got plenty of room and a large and generous boot with a 60/40 dividing rear seat. This one's got the false floor, which is, I think, an option, so it makes it level when the seats are down, but you can remove that and get extra depth. Under here is the tyre inflation pack and space for a few tools and whatever you need. Balance of Toyota's 5-year warranty on this car, provided it's serviced with Toyota. Very lovely specification and a very intrinsically reliable car. If you need to part exchange whatever you've got, whatever it is, we need it, we want it, and we'll be paying you top money. On top of that, should you need to finance this car, we offer finance at what we believe to be a competitive rate of interest. Finance applications are all subject to status, acceptance and approval. So there we have it, Toyota Yaris XL automatic hybrid electric vehicle, presenting in Juniper blue. If you've got any interest in this lovely low mileage car, which is just over 12 months old, please ask for either myself, I'm Mark, or one of my colleagues such as Christian or Robert. Thanks for watching the video. I look forward to hearing from you.